All right, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since my last. I know it's been a minute since my last post, but because I've been, it's because I've been like busy, like working and stuff. New year, new stuff like that. But I got some wheels for the car. But yeah, I got some new wheels for the car. Yes, these are some. I really don't. Okay, first let me start by saying I really don't know much about these wheels. But let me show y'all. These are Lorenzo rims. As you can see, like they got like little like nicks and stuff and like stuff like that. But don't worry, I'm gonna get that all like taken care of and painted up a little bit. 295, 30s, 22s. Yes, 22-inch rims, and they are 235, 30s, 22s in the front. But I want to go with a wider tie, maybe a 245 in the front, because I mean, you probably can't really tell, but you can get a little bit more tie on there. And I don't really like too much like lip of the wheel showing like that. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, I mean, the fitment is pretty nice. It's not like poking out too much, but it's not poking out like too crazy. Like the back is just a tad, but nothing too crazy. To me in person, it looks a lot better than it does on camera. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these wheels, and the tires are Lexianos, and they doing just fine. They're doing just fine. But yeah, I will be starting back posting more